So we're in ukulele class.
Hey, you want a free centipede?
Ew. Hey guys, good morning. Today on the vlog, it's Thursday, and I'm not doing the best at my vlogging lately. I just haven't been vlogging as much as I did originally because there's not really anything important to vlog anymore. It's just get up, go to school, come home for most days. But I'm like a week and a half behind on editing too. So I do have a 4-day weekend coming up soon, and I'm hoping to get caught up on my editing then, and then hopefully my vlogs will be more consistent after that. So bear with me. But yeah, today we're just gonna go to school, and I don't think we're gonna do anything else. So. Good morning, guys. Today on the vlog, it's Friday, and we are driving to school. Huh, Jay? Yes. You may have noticed we're in a bigger car today. I don't know why, but it's marvelous.
Hi, Lucy.
Hi. Hi, Katrina.
Oh, I love this.
You're driving. Don't turn away. Alrighty, my chillins, we are back from school. There's pretty good lighting out here right now.
I'm gonna make a house. We're gonna play Minecraft. Woo!
Today on the vlog, Jay's taking a shower in the rain. Hi, Jay. Did you wash your hair? Maybe I should do that. Is it cold? Your eyebrows, Jay. Come here. So I've decided to go out and join them in the rain. I have my swimsuit on, and then I have my shampoo. Should be fun.
You gotta get your hair in there. Get right next to it.
Hey guys, so I just finished my shower in the rain and it was great. It took a while to rinse out my hair because I had to wait for the rain to pour, and then it would slow down and then it would start pouring again. But yeah, I would recommend. It feels all natural, you know? But they're still there.